Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. It is December of 2021 and we're as busy as always. As you can see, we have our pre-cut, laser cut frame bases, which are this part right here. And then of course we augment it by adding on and TIG welding the extensions using the sturdy carbon steel. It's all fully powder coated. This is a 36 SE with a 23.5 horse Kohler, powerful truck mount that can do just about anything that you want in this industry. The pressures are up to 2,000 pounds pressure and beyond. Usually it's about right around 2,500 PSI plus. A lot of truck mounts in the industry cannot do that because they don't have a coil system in their heaters sustaining that kind of pressure. This is 3,500 pounds pressure rated. Access Point heat exchanger, been out for a number of years now. It's just a beautiful concept, beautiful truck mounts that we have. We have 7 models, full operational panel, as you can see, an intermediate panel down in the bottom here at the diamond plate. You've got everything you need here to do both pre-spray and another wand, or 2 wands if you want. But this system is set up as a very strong singular wand system. It's just beautiful. It's got all stainless pipe at the bottom, thermostatic control. It's got bypass circulation here. It's just a simple unit, very simple to operate. So you will really like what we put together here. This is a quarter plate. Everything gets augmented. So as you see over there, this just comes in as a simple frame when the panel is actually 2 separate pieces, and then it gets re-infrastructured with solid tubular construction, all TIG welded. It just comes out really nice. I put a lot behind what I do. Again, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, all stainless, heavy walled tubing, solid headers, all stainless, as you can see, belt guard protection, a pump that's gets up to about 3,000 pounds pressure, working pressure, and it's just nicely laid out. Real easy to do belt change outs. As you can see, we have pullbacks on both sides and the pullbacks and the angular. This is your angular adjustment, as well as on this side, and then you have your pullback over here. 15-20 minutes tops to change out a belt. You don't want to be caught with having situation where, you know, your downtime, exceedingly long hours of downtime, which is a lot of wasted money. You want a unit that's going to do the job. And as you see, we have an oil drain here. We have another pump oil drain here to make it handy for you with a spyglass and a stick here for the level. See what you got, a fill cap right here. And accessory plugs for your both freshwater pump and wastewater pump, or the freshwater pump, whichever you need for a 12-volt source. It is right here. It's separately fused. So you got your inlet to your chemical right here. You've got your last step injection. Beautiful belt guards, protect your hands. As you can see, a full operational panel. Everything's just very well put together. All stainless, braided hoses, 3,000 PSI rated at 500 degrees. Just everything is just nicely put together and laid out the proper way. So we just took a lot in what we do. We put a lot of effort and a lot of money into our proprietary parts. We're not waiting on parts like other truck mount companies. We're supplying our own proprietary parts that we can get and build within our factory. So that's it. And as you notice, it's all belt driven. You don't want a coupling system, because if you have a single coupler that gets a little, like more than 1 degree off centered, or it's not properly aligned in any sort of way, it'll blow up and break, and it'll leave you high and I shouldn't say high and dry, more like high and wet, because the coupler runs your blower. So, and then you'll end up with a lot of water that it been dispensed out onto the carpet or regular flooring and leaving a high liability situation. At least with the belts, these are heavy duty industrial cog belts. They run cool, great gripping power, and they're all the same size. As you can see, they're all BX30s, B-size belts. So they give you early warning. I mean, you can get several years out of a set of these belts versus a coupler. You could probably have it for a month, and I've heard horror stories of brand new machines where the thing just blew up and pieces went everywhere, and they ended up with downtime on their jobs, unhappy customers. So with all of that, we are proud to have put together a really open concept, easy cool type of system, all free flow. And as you can see, it comes in at 2.5. It leaves at 2.5. Comes down and through a 2.5 silencer at the bottom. It's not a muffler, by the way. It's an actual acoustic dampening specialized muffler system that is, in noise-sensitive areas. That's what you want. You want a nice, quiet unit that operates and does everything that you want it to do with good CFM. This one does here. It is a size 3 LR blower, which does 344 CFM, which equates to pretty nice pull in inches of mercury to give you nice dry times where you're not having to wait too long. So as you can see, we put a lot into the quality of our work and what we do. We have a passion to producing the best product in the industry, and user-friendly panel, as you can see, all the way down. It's just a beautiful, beautiful unit, and we're happy to have helped many people out in the industry. And you can go online and apply for a loan through many, many other companies that we use. Predominantly, we use a low FICO score company that you'll see ClickLease online. You can go either through the truck mount store or for the informational site that's been there since 2005. We've been building 15 years. And out of the 42 years that I've been in the industry, I've been in the industry for a long time, so I know a user-friendly machine when I see it. You'll be happy. Give us a call at 727-505-2989, and look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. My name is Pete Garland, and I'm the owner and builder of Blue Baron and Access Point Heaters Exchangers. Thank you.